Hey guys, I just woke up and then I have a surprise here. My cat becoming nicer to me already. Okay, we're gonna watch. She is here now. Oh, it's in my side. I can rub her back now. I can rub her. Oh, what do you want? What do you want, baby? Are you hungry? Huh? Hmm? Come. Come. Can I cuddle you? Oh, I can hold now. Oh, you see? See, guys, I can hold her now. I don't know. He's looking for a boyfriend. She is a girl. I don't know what he is doing. What do you want? Huh? Oh, I can make it tame now. This is a surprise to me. That I can make like this to her. He cannot bite me. She cannot bite me. She cannot scratch me. Before, she is so wild. And now, I can rub her back. And then I can hold her too. Come, come, come. It's a surprise. Because, cat is need the attention. Come. What do you want? Why? Why you are acting like that? Come. Huh? Hmm? Hmm? Come. Where are you going? Huh? Oh, he's making like this. I don't know. I think he want, he want a companion or whatever. Why she is acting like this? Come. Hmm? What do you want? Why you are making like that? Hmm? Huh? She is good now. I don't know if she is scared or whatever. Come. Are you scared? What? What's your problem? Hmm? You can tap him to tap or pet her. I don't know. I think she want a companion or whatever. Why she is acting like this? What happened? What happened? My pretty cat? Hmm? 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 Can I carry you? No? Are you scared? No? Okay. Oh, what is that voice? Uh-oh. Uh-oh, what is that? Okay, guys. She's making things so good that she is so good now. Okay, thank you for watching. Have a good day. Bye.